when we talked about this first, sort of outgrowing what you have, I think about a customer. They were a Midwest manufacturer. They sold B2B, right? A very predictable, boots on the ground channel, but they wanted to grow like all businesses do, very aspirational. And so they brought some great marketers in and they added a B2C channel. And that's a different animal. And so they did what a lot of customers do. They found a SaaS e-commerce provider who specialized in B2C and could, on paper, help them scale. What I think they didn't realize they were doing was actually compounding the problem a little bit, because they took this B2C portal, switched it, and put it in a SaaS where they didn't have any control. And so everything still had to integrate back to the B2B portal. And so these developers were still being ops people. They were still managing the interactions with this B2C SaaS provider that they really couldn't control, didn't provide the granularity and control they needed. And so when we got them, they had made that first move. And then we talked to them and said, I think we can help you solve this problem, right? Just take a lot of that off your plate. So their developers kind of had to stop doubling as ops people, at least on the B2C side, still tied back to their B2B portal. They were still able to have everything in a single pane of glass, or at least closer to that. And that's been the right move for at least this provider to be able to scale that kind of that unpredictable demand much more quickly than having to order servers, configure servers that are doing other things. So that's one of the success stories I think about.